I don't care where you're from. If you tell me that you love football and you don't love Barcelona, you have a problem.
Fue innovador en una forma de jugar. Take the ball, pass the ball, take the ball, pass the ball.
Följ med bakom kulisserna på resan som gjorde Barcelona till det bästa laget i världen.
Pep was at times ahead of the game.
I will bring you to the final of the championship, and it was like this.
En historia från spelarna som upplevde det.
The relationship between Mourinho and Guardiola was beyond tense of hand, some would say.
I think it escalated into something more than just football.
Tell me a team that dominated world football, having that amount from the academy in their team.
It's not a coincidence.
It's how to be a Barca player, how to live like a Barca player, how to respect what it means.
It's how we play. If you do that good, the results will come.
Al final, siempre ganar el fútbol.
Take the ball, pass the ball. Bara på Cmore.